Well, we've all seen this scene before, all 6 of you. So I got the parts for this thing, and the difference between this one and the last one is I'm actually going to explain the basics of troubleshooting with gas heat. It's going to work residential or commercial, basic, all right, like Barney style. So I'm gonna get up this ladder, get everything torn off on that roof, and then I'll come back to you. All right, here we are back at it. Got my bag of goodies here from Carrier. No, they didn't give me water. That's my own thing. You'll always see me with some hydration. But this is the unit off my last video where we had a couple of errors on safeties. So I went ahead and ordered the kit. I say the kit, it's basically all the little things that should have been, in my opinion, replaced whenever the heat exchanger was replaced. So here we are, and this is going to be a little more informative. I'm going to go ahead and talk about the basics on gas heat. Now, when I say basics, I mean this is the Barney system. This is the ones that don't have all the bells and the whistles and whatnot. I'm not talking about them 90% efficiencies ones in your house that got the PVC exhaust and all this extra stuff that, honestly, for the money that you're gonna spend on that, it really ain't worth what you are going to save. Are you going to save some money? Sure, on your bills, but you ain't going to save what you spend. And then, you know, it has a 10-year warranty. I promise you, in that 10 years you're probably going to have a service call on it. After the 10 years, you're going to have to pay for the service calls on it. That's my opinion, though. You do you. That's how I like to see it. You do you. I get this thing apart here and discuss basic gas heat. So yeah, we're gonna get this thing apart. I'm gonna get what are you doing? Get off. This is just gonna slide right off like this. Watch. Yeah, it's not. Why are you fighting me, bro? Get out of there. Okay, I'm so confused right now because this should not be. Oh, it's on this lip. Well, dang it. See, I brought the basics today because I didn't want to carry my 800-pound tool bag, but this is my little one. See, I got what I need. Maybe, I think that'll do it. I don't know why this is catching. It shouldn't be that high. We're just gonna bend on her a little bit. Yeah, see, that's what's supposed to happen. Supposed to slide right out. Just get. There we go. Piece of cake. Piece of cake. Here's the basics, all right? So, with gas heat, the first thing you have is a sequence. It's a sequence on the way things work. You got a step 1 through 6. Maybe 7, I don't know. I can't count very well these days, but so you're going to start off with a call for heat. What that means in layman's terms is you've got something that says, hey bro, I need to heat up. Okay, and tells this thingy right here, I need warmth. So then that's the number 1. Number 2, you get your 24 voltages from here, and it goes to this thing right here. That's a little heat board. Okay, got the relays, and it's got the resistor minators and stuff in there that does their thing. Okay, and then after it gets to that heat board, it says, okay, well, the first thing we need to do safety wise is make sure all of our switches are closed. Safeties. There's one of them. It's the rollout switch. And then it'll go to the heater, the high limit switch, which is over here. Okay, and that's basically it. That box, the heat exchanger box, gets too hot, it's going to cut it out. Now, for some reason, Carrier likes to call that a fan switch, which is really stupid. I don't understand why. I don't know, but so we got our safeties figured out. Okay, this computer board says, okay, cool, all our safeties are good. Now let's prove airflow. Now, what do I mean by that? I mean, this right here is the inducer motor. Okay, it has to be on to have air flowing through the heat exchanger. Otherwise, you got flames that don't have a direction, and if you got flames with no direction, you got fire that you don't want. So then the inducer motor will come on, right? And once that happens, it's got to have a proof switch. You know, it's got to tell the thingy up there, hey, we got the inducer going, all right? And how does it tell it? Well, there's two different ways, all right? One is like this one. This one has a centrifugal switch in it, okay? There's a switch inside the motor here that as the centrifugal force builds, it opens and boom, as soon as that switch opens, it says boom, yeah, I got you. We're on, we're good, man, we got it going. Oh, this is a reach right here. So once that happens, and it's proved airflow, this little guy right here goes, oh, let's give her some fire. So it sends a spark. And simultaneously, when it sends a spark, it will send gas. It tells the gas valve, right? I don't know if you can see that. I hope. I don't know. Maybe you can. Tells the gas valve, hey, bro, you can go ahead and give me some gas. So the gas valve comes on, and you got sparks, and then it flames on up. And then the next thing that happens is the flame sensor will then say, yeah, we got fire. We got the fire. And when the flame sensor says that, it tells the board, hey, we got the flamies. Let's chill on the sparks and let's let her run. All right, and then you got a delay. Most of them have a delay where the fan will come on after a certain period of time. They gave me the wrong igniter. Well, isn't that special? Golly. Dag nabbit. I wonder if it'll work anyway. I'm hesitating to give this one a shot. Maybe. Oh crap. Anyway, I digress. We're gonna go on to the next part. So that's the sequence. And when you're troubleshooting gas heat, first thing and the easiest thing to do is check the digitals. Check that magic up there, because this little light here will flash you, and it'll flash you some codes, and usually those codes are right. Okay, a lot of times they're gonna be, hey, this is exactly what's wrong, fix this, and you fix that and you magically are good to go. So if all else fails, all you got to do is turn it off, turn it back on, and figure out where did it stop. Okay, that's all you got to do. Did the inducer motor come on? If the inducer motor did not come on, then you already know where to go from there. It's narrowed down for you. So you just got to go, okay, my inducer motor didn't come on. Oh, I'm an idiot. Am I an idiot? No, I'm not an idiot. I'm not an idiot. I take that back. If the inducer motor didn't come on, you want to find out if it's getting power. If it's getting power and it did not come on, well, hey, you figured it out, right? If your inducer motor comes on, you got spark and you don't have gas, see if this guy is getting power. If your gas valve is getting power and you ain't got no gas, well, you got a bad gas valve. Unless, of course, your gas is turned off. Sorry for my snorting. I've been sick lately. That's all I got. I'm gonna finish putting these parts in and figure out what to do with this guy being the wrong part. Maybe I'll call him and see if it's an upgrade. I don't know. Maybe I'll just shine up the other one, make it look new. We'll figure it out. Anyway, that's gas heat in a nutshell. If you got questions, throw them in the comments, all 3 of you. And I'll catch you on the next one. Deuces.